I know you don't want to believe it, Laurel. God knows I don't. But he's not coming back. For the first time since I met Oliver Queen, I don't know what happens next.
I know that the world isn't fair. I know that it's a terrible place where people deserve to get punished, and they don't. For one night, I need the world to be different.
Laurel, you're not the hero. We're your sister.
Are you trying to get yourself killed? Laura, you're not your sister.
You think I don't know that? You lost a brother. If there's anyone who I thought would understand, it would be you. You're gonna stand there and tell me I'm not strong enough or tough enough, please. Don't.
What's gotten into you? You're angry, you're distant, you're reckless.
I thought that being Sarah would make it hurt less. I'm not strong enough to fight for Sarah.
See, before, Laurel, you were swinging at your sister's killer. That's a target you're never gonna hit. Don't train for that. All right, train for yourself.
Don't forget to tan your hips.
Red or black?
Black. Definitely black.
It's where the power comes from.
It's not about you getting knocked to the mat. It's if you get up.
I think you fight better than you run.
Maybe what we've been doing it because there are people we care about that are still alive.
Daniel Brickwell.
You have failed this city.
It's hard.
So Sarah.
Hi, sis.
You're not her. She was alive. She was calling me a fraud.
Before you
It was crazy to think that I was fit to wear Sarah's jacket.
how light
You lied to me, Laurel. Straight to my face, my own daughter!
Someone just followed in her footsteps.
Sarah was my daughter. I deserved an had a right to grieve, to mourn.
with short.
Who do you think you are to take that away from me, huh?
You explain.
I'm sorry.
Sarah wore her mask just as much to hide her demons as she did to help people.
How
She says she's sorry.
beautiful
I don't see that with you.
it is to be this. I couldn't help but
You wear my mask. You think you can beat me?
I tried to write it down.
You have a light inside of you that Sarah never had.
I give anything to hear.
Maybe you should stop trying to be
Say
Sarah.
it one more time. That the universe was made just to be seen by my eye. And
I didn't tell you before because I was worried about your health.
you to say it all again.
I realized
I tried to write it down,
that you deserve to
but I
know.
could never find the end. I give anything to hear. Say it one more time. That the universe was
My baby, not again.
just to be seen by the shortness of breath. I'll explain the infinite
You've reminded me that the strongest metal is forged in the hottest fire.
and beautiful. It truly is that we exist.